Hey kiddos, for Core Plus 21 today, it is two parts. In part one, I'm going to have you fill out a grade analysis page. I've already went around two classrooms and given these away. All right, if you're an in-class learner, you're going to fill out a physical page and you're going to turn it in. It'll just make it a tad bit easier for me and for you to fill this out. And when I grade you, it'll make it a little bit quicker. So if I missed you, coming down and see me and I'll get you one. If you're a Zoomer, and even if you're not a Zoomer, watch this. We need to find out where we can go to find the digital copy of this. So we just go to Unit 3 folder in Schoology. We scroll down to our test. Okay, we've got our test versions right here, test version 1, version 2. Please remember which version you took and open up the grade analysis page right here. Okay, I can do that for us really fast. And we're going to click on My Document. And this will be helpful to know even if you are an in-class kid, but you happen to be home today. So you'll find on top is the version 1 copy. And then if you scroll down, you'll find version 2. So please fill it out for the correct version. Otherwise, you'll see quickly that it doesn't line up. Okay, because one version has a few more questions. So I just scroll down to version 2. And all I need to do is go through my test one question at a time. And there's a nice little nifty video if you need some refresher on how to fill out a grade analysis page. It's this blue link here, but it should be a piece of cake. And we just go through the questions one at a time and mark how many points we earned. Note here that the essay is actually worth twice the points. So if I earned a 3, I got to multiply by 2 to get 6. Okay, if I earned 1 point, I only get 2 points here. I add it up, and then I want to highlight my score, just like that, okay? And I'm going to go to undo here so it doesn't mess it up for yourself. So you're going to do that for all 8 standards, and you're going to figure out, do you need a retake or not? And your retake is due by next Wednesday. That gives you 1 week to figure out a way to improve your score. And one final comment is if you plan to do a retake, even on one single standard, that's fine. What is your plan to improve? Are you going to look over your study guide? Are you going to try the Quizlet? Are you going to practice the essay a little more? Get a digital or a real life parent signature here and a date and bring it to me. Excuse me, that'll signify that you're ready to do the retake. All right, enough on that. Please, Zoomers, submit this online. You in-class kiddos can turn it into me when you have class, likely tomorrow or on Friday. Part 2 now, you're going to click and watch this introductory video lesson. I had my advanced class do this. I think it's really important that you know this. It's about Biden coming into office and Trump leaving and impeachment in the 25th Amendment. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google and search 25th Amendment and find out each of the 4 sections of the 25th Amendment. And then when was the 25th Amendment actually part of the Constitution? When was it passed? I want you to learn a little bit about Trump and what he did last week, January 6th. To potentially incite or an insurrection. So Google Incite, put the definition here in the yellow space. And when you're done with that, watch this video for background information, 2 to 3 minutes, pretty short, and then answer the question, do you agree that Trump incited the crowd or not? Give me some quotes, give me some evidence to support your claim in the line there. Okay, part number 4 here is going to be about the 25th Amendment. Make sure you read this little cartoon. And even though Mike Pence did not remove Trump from office using the 25th Amendment, should that have been an option? Should that have been done to get Trump out? Give me a yes, give me a no, highlighting here, using your highlight tool right there, and an explanation for why. This part here is optional. I'm not going to read through it. If you have time, you're interested in doing it, go ahead and see what consequences Trump would have should he be impeached. And yes, he still can be impeached. Finally, everybody's got to do this, is use Google to search for a political cartoon on Trump and the 25th Amendment. Make sure it's one you understand, though. Place the picture here. Give me a short explanation. That'll wrap up things for the day. And I encourage you, since the inauguration is going to be happening, that you should check out one or more of these websites here to learn more about Biden taking office. That's it, boys and girls. Make it great.